Welcome to our step-by-step guide to localize your progressive web application by using Remedy Developer Studio. Let's make sure your application speaks the language of your users. In this video, we will localize a form from English to German language. To localize your progressive web application, you must create data based on the locale in the AR system message catalog form. Let's dive right in. First up is creating a new package definition. In Remedy Developer Studio, log in to both your source and target localization databases by using the same user. In the target server database, navigate to Localization Package Definition and click New Package Definition. In the Ignored Field Label Prefixes field, add any fields you want to ignore for translation. In the Locales field, select any supported locales from the available locales list. Out-of-the-box forms are already handled. BMC has done the translation work for you. However, you'll need to manually translate the text strings for custom forms. Add the form for localization in the Independent Forms field and save the package. Let's see the next step, extract strings. Once your package is set, simply click Extract Strings. This operation creates an entry in your localization database for all fields in your independent forms. Let us now see how to export strings. Next, click on Export Strings. In the Export to File field, enter your file name and choose the appropriate locale. If it's a PWA view, check the Export Only Progressive Views box. With just a few clicks, we're almost ready to send this off for translation. After extraction, you can view the file. Now, let's get those strings off to your translation vendor. Send the extracted file to your translation vendor to get the translated strings. After the vendor completes the translation, we must import the strings. However, you must sort the TSV file before the import to make sure it's in the correct order. Open the translation file in Excel, select Unicode UTF-8 as the file origin in the Test Import Wizard, then rename the column label of the source locale and translated locale to match the standard naming conventions in Remedy Developer Studio. Select all the data and sort it by message type, field ID, message number, form name, message ID, and view ID. Now, to import the PWA TSV file, download and run the AR Message Entry Creator tool utility by using the command line. Run the command shown on the screen to import the file. Open the AR Server Message Catalog form and search the source form name to verify if the localized fields are updated correctly. If you need to localize a custom field, this section is for you. For example, if you want to localize a custom field called Summary, you must create an entry in the AR System Message Catalog form. Open the AR System Message Catalog form and create a new request. In the Message Type field, select the type of the custom field. Enter your form name and locale and input the field database ID of your new custom field. To get the Progressive Views Form View ID, click outside the panel and check the basic settings to get the View ID. In the Return Value pane, enter your language translation in the Message Text field. Add the data tag if needed. Clear your browser cache and test the fields. Finally, it's time to verify the form. Open the source form in your browser, set the browser locale, and adjust user preferences to see your localized views. And there you have it! Your application now supports German. You can follow the same steps to localize your forms to any other language to serve a broader audience. For more information, see docs.bmc.com. Thank you for joining us on this localization journey.